Hey guys, I'm working on my Camaro. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I'm swapping my seals out. This is the second time I'm doing it. Unfortunately, I bought OER seals to begin with, and they were complete and utter garbage. Do not buy OER seals. These right here are Fairchild seals. They are 100 times better. It's hard to explain it on camera, but just the tolerances, everything about the OER seal is a little bit off. Whereas this seal right here, when you close it with the window, it fits perfectly in this channel. Versus I have the OER on this side. You're not gonna really be able to see it because my lighting is not that great. But basically, this seal is like too flat. So no matter what you do, you slam this thing in here, it will not seal. There will be a slight gap between here through this whole section right here. No matter what. It hits this before it'll hit anywhere in here. So whatever you guys do, if you're restoring your Camaro Firebird, just go with Fairchild, man. I don't know why they're selling these OER. I haven't had any luck with them. Supposedly people have, but yeah, go with Fairchild. I'm just going to show you all this. These are the two seals put together. I'm not sure if you can notice which one is the Fairchild seal. I already know from just looking at it. You can see how wavy and just how many imperfections are inside of the OER seals. The Fairchild seals just look so much better. They're actually thicker, and that's the reason why my window will not seal with these OER seals. You see, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a good bit of difference there. Maybe 1/8 of an inch, and just that little bit of an eighth of an inch is enough to get them windows to seal. It's crazy. So screw OER, Fairchild all the way.